Edit off-market transactions on Mirae Asset Sharekhan. We've introduced a new feature in the portfolio section, where you can now edit both the transaction price and transaction date for off-market transfers. To access the edit feature, log into the Mirae Asset Sharekhan website and go to the detailed view of your portfolio. If you have any off-market transfers, current or last financial year, a pop-up will prompt you to edit the transaction. Click on Update Now or use the Edit Off-Market Transactions tab. From the Download Report option, you can download these off-market transactions in the Excel format. There are two ways to edit your transactions. Option 1. Single record update or edit one by one. Click the edit icon at the end of the row. You can now see the details of the off-market transaction. Edit the price to your actual purchase price. Change the transaction date to the actual purchase date. Here, you can add the date from 1st April 2014 to transfer date. To add the bifurcation of the transaction, click on I want to add transaction breakdown checkbox. Add the bifurcation as per your actual transaction. In case you have an additional row, click on the cross or X button to delete. Accept terms and conditions and click Save. You'll return to the home page where the edit icon changes to a details icon, showing the updated details. Changes before 7 p.m. reflect in 24 hours. After 7 p.m. within 48 hours. Option 2. Bulk upload or updating multiple transactions at once. Click Bulk Upload, read the instructions once, download the template file and fill in the required details. Trade date, customer ID, Sharekhan script code, transaction type, quantity and rate. Upload the file. Once the file is uploaded, you can see the file name. Click Continue. Review the transaction shown. Use the edit if you have wrongly selected sell instead of the buy transaction. You can also delete the entry. Just select the same from the checkbox and click on Delete. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Update. The data shown in the Trade Properly Matched section can be updated in the portfolio by clicking on Update Match Transaction. Then submit. After submission, you won't be able to make further changes to that script. As mentioned earlier, changes before 7 p.m. reflect in 24 hours, after 7 p.m. within 48 hours. Need help? If you face any issues, contact customer service or your RM. Happy trading with Mirae Asset Sharekhan.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.